right. Woo-hoo! Hard left. Oh, that's fun. I'm not gonna lie, that's, if I wasn't so afraid of being thrown off personal property, that was great. Oh, this is cute. As you can tell, this is a little rough. Pueblo, Santa Ana, reservation, recreation, no alcohol, no firearms, no dropping off your kids, no throwing out cats. You know how Indians say hello, don't you? And hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Yeah, I'll get something there. Okay. See, you know, when people are complaining about the Fz-07 suspension being soft, it's roads like this that make me happy that the suspension is soft. It was like that old pavement style with all the freaking T-stones in it. Oh. All over that gate. Yeah, poop on my tires. So how's your guys' gas mileage been in these Fz-07? I mean, when I'm being good, I get the 49, 59 range miles per gallon, but you know, it's so torquey and so fast in the low end, I find myself getting up to 60 almost instantly. I mean, I can't help it, it's just too fun. So, I mean, I'm burning on my trip, you know, I'm only getting about 200 to 230 miles per tank. I've been using the high octane stuff as well. You know, whatever the highest octane I can get, I've been putting in. Sorry about the wind guys, I really am going to work on the audio. Get rid of the wind shear. Be careful down here. We got a lot of sand pockets. You wanna think ice is bad? Wait till you hit a fluffy sand pocket. I'll be laying on my side pretty fucking quick. rolling around on glass feet. Be doing the speed limit from now on. I'll just stand up here. Right now, soon to the overlook. Overlook. We'll get off the bike and walk around. It looks like we have the whole place to ourselves today. Kind of nice. We usually have the whole place to ourselves. Looks like people like to shoot up that sign. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. Now I gotta tell you guys, this bike is beautiful. You know, I have no complaints about it. Fast as hell, torque is great, quality's great. Honestly, after I went to the dealership yesterday, I haven't had any of the stall issues that you know, everybody's been experiencing that I was experiencing a couple times. I mean, Yamaha's done a beautiful job on this bike, I really gotta say. And then the MSRP is just phenomenal. They're gonna start a whole new era of bike manufacturers that actually drop their prices. So this is the Santa Ana Dam overlook. Yeah, not too far out of town. If I didn't get sidetracked at the Tamaya Resort, it's only about 20 minutes out of town, and you know, the view is absolutely amazing. And you know, a lot of people, like I said yesterday on the vlog, that New Mexico is for outdoor people. Absolutely. The hiking is outstanding. The views are amazing. Of course, not that much water right now. The black rock you see is actually lava rock. It's all lava rock. If you look at it, it's very porous. I mean, you know, the funny thing is too is if you have grills, you have charcoal grills, and you run out of charcoal, you go out to any of these volcanic spots with a 5-gallon pail bucket, and you fill it up with volcano rock. There's your charcoal. Works great. Keeps the heat in, sucks up all the oil that drips off your burgers. Little tidbit picked up from living out here. It's pretty windy. You know, when you're on top of the mesas, you see the flat mesas. You get on top of them, and there's just no wind restriction. I mean, look how far down that is. My God, that would hurt. Just not fall off that. Today, you know, it's what, actually, is it the first day? I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's 55 degrees though. Right now, the sun's been coming out a couple times. Every time it does, it heats up real good. It's nice. Don't know if you can hear me through the wind. Oh, not much water down there today. They're not letting anything go. We can walk over on the other side. Isn't she beautiful? That's a great view. That bike is just great. I may take a couple still shots of the bike. I think when the summer comes, I've been looking at the saddlebag options for the bike. I mean, for the Fz-07, which is the European non-ABS version, you know, they have lots of accessories. The bike's actually been out for a few years for them, and they make the hard saddlebags with the protection rods to keep the bags from rubbing on your bike. I think it was like, for everything, somewhere around $300. I'm probably going to go ahead and get those next year, because come summertime I have friends in Huntsville, Alabama. Mr. Jeff Gray there, he'll probably watch this video. I'm going to go visit him. He wants to take me on the dragon course, or the dragon's tail, I think he said it was called. Something like 300 windy turns and 15 miles or something crazy like that. So that bike should be pretty fun on that. And then I'll probably swing over to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, visit my cousin out there, and my friend Philip Henry, see what he's up to. Whew, I'm out of shape. That is quite the view, if I say so myself. That is amazing. Here, I'll do a real slow spin around here. Whew. Let's do the panoramic. Beautiful, beautiful. Between yesterday and today, I've done probably about 200 miles. I'm trying to get the last couple riding days in. I don't like to be a weenie with the cold weather, but well, I shouldn't be complaining. I know a lot of you guys are in the north and you have snow, and I'm still walking around in 60-degree weather, so I don't miss that. Like I said yesterday, I moved here from Vermont. I used to live on the Quebec border in Vermont, and I don't miss that. Been here for 10 years now, maybe a little more than that, and nothing beats the weather. It gets hot during the summer, but it's 0% humidity, so you don't even sweat. Just nice and warm and cozy, and get around with running around in a tank top and shorts for 9 months of the year. And we're getting to the ski season, which is also great because those mountains over there, there's some further out you can't see from here. Great skiing. Santa Fe Ski Resort is absolutely beautiful. We also have Taos and Sipapu, or you can go 4 hours north to Colorado, and you got world-renowned Wolf Creek and Purgatory ski resorts. If I was early in the summer, I had this GoPro earlier, I would have taken the bike up to Pagosa and Durango. Beautiful, beautiful areas. Look at that. I'll take some still shots and see if the Fz-07 fan group will put the bike up. Just absolutely magnificent. Yeah, I've been putting off this bike purchase for 10 years, and I was gonna go with the CBR RR. And then one day, I can't remember what I was doing. I was just shopping online for more crap I didn't need, and this advertisement for the Yamaha Fz-07 came on, and I just, I saw it and I was like, oh my god, that's a beautiful motorcycle. And I started reading about it, and 3 days later, I went by our local Yamaha dealer, it's Bobby J's, and I was just like, you guys have the Fz-07? And they said, we have one in a box. And then they're like, it's probably be gone by the end of the day. We're taking it out of the crate now. They said we won't get another one in until till 3 more months. So I was like, you know what, I'm 30 years old, I put off a motorcycle for 10 years, I'm gonna go down and check it out. So I went down and checked it out, and I fell in love with it instantly. And you know, I just put the cash down on the spot and said I want it. And here we go. It's led to the vlogs and riding and pretty girls, and it's made turning 30 and the next 10 years. I think it's gonna go very, very nice. So I'm gonna get moving out of here. The wind's picking up. Don't know where it's gonna lead me. Probably gotta go get some beer and food. It sounds like beer and food time. I'm getting hungry. So, of course, the camera's still gonna be rolling, but I'll probably fast forward it, get all the wind noise and all that whatnots. Beautiful.